So I left the bird in the bathroom for a while to look in the mirror, and so obviously he's not there anymore. So I looked over here, and as you can see there's lots of debris, a mysterious amount of debris. So I thought, well, look at all that crap. He must have had a heyday with all the weird twigs and stuff up there. So I looked around for a while out there, and then I heard some rustling when I came back in here. And there he is. Hey Rico, did you have a good time in the bathroom? He's been in here for a good 2, maybe 3 hours, and I wondered why he was so quiet. Apparently he's been sleeping. Rico, come here. Come here. Come on, you gotta go back in your cage. Come here. Come here. No, don't chew on any more shit. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. Let go. Thank you. Hello. So I think now he's permanently attached to his mirror buddy since he's been in here so long, but you know, whatever. It's all good. Okie doke. But for the record, this little bird is very annoying and chirps a lot. The videos, you know, they only get the good ones, the good side of him, you know, where he's quiet and not obnoxious. Okay. Okay, let's put you back.